Hi guys, Master Unofficial welcomes you to the video about Python language. It's a session where you can understand what Python is. Now before we get started, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications for all our future videos. In this video we are gonna discuss about what is Python. Why is Python popular? Salaries offered, features of Python, where is Python used in the industry? Learning path and career opportunities that Python gives us. Let's move with the first topic. What is Python? Python is a general-purpose, high-level interpreted language with easy syntax and dynamic semantics, and it is created by Guido van Rossum in 1989. Python is world's fastest-growing and most popular programming language, not just amongst software developers but also amongst mathematicians, data analysts, scientists, accountants, network engineers, and even kids, because it's a very beginner-friendly programming language. So people from different disciplines use Python for a variety of different tasks such as data analysis and visualization, artificial intelligence and machine learning, automation. In fact, this is one of the big uses of Python amongst people who are not software developers. You can also use Python to build web, mobile, desktop applications as well as software testing or even hacking. So Python is a multi-purpose language. Let us move ahead and understand why Python is so popular comparing to other languages. Python is the best language to start it off with. Its easy syntax and high-level features makes it one of the best language for anybody to get started with programming. The next reason, Python is an open source language which makes it free for everyone to use. Lastly, there is a huge community of people who would come together to make the libraries that can be used to obtain the solutions. Now if you have some programming experience, you may say, but Master, we can do all this stuff with other programming languages, so what's the big deal about Python? Here are a few reasons. With Python you can solve complex problems in less time with fewer lines of code. Here's an example. Let's say we want to extract the first 3 letters of the text "Hello World." This is the code we have to write in C#, this is how we do it in JavaScript, and here's how we do it in Python. See how short and clean the language is. And that's just the beginning. Python makes a lot of trivial things really easy with a simple yet powerful syntax. Here are a few other reasons why Python is so popular. It's a high-level language, so you don't worry about complex tasks such as memory management, like you do in C++. It's cross-platform, which means you can build and run Python applications on Windows, Mac and Linux. It has a huge community, so whenever you get stuck, there is someone out there to help. It has a large ecosystem of libraries, frameworks and tools, which means whatever you wanna do, it is likely that someone else has done it before, because Python has been around for over 20 years. So in a nutshell, Python is a multi-purpose language with a simple, clean and beginner-friendly syntax. All of that means Python is awesome. Technically everything you do with Python you can do with other programming languages, but Python's simplicity and elegance has made it grow way more than other programming languages. That's why it's the #1 language employers are looking for. So whether you're a programmer or an absolute beginner, learning Python opens up lots of job opportunities to you. In fact, the average Python developer earns a whopping $116,000 a year. Features make a language attractive. That what is Python made up of? Let us now see the different features that Python has for us. The most well-known feature of Python is its simplicity. Python has made programming fun. The next important feature that Python is an open source language, which means that it is free for anybody to use. Python supports portability, which means that you can write your code and share it with anybody that you want to. Our next features are embedding properties, and it is an interpreted languages, which makes coding easier. Python has a huge library support, which would help you to obtain solutions. Python supports OOPS, meaning that you can model a real-world problem into a code and have security. And also have a look at the applications of Python and where it works, which makes it wider comparing to other programming languages. And now that we know all features of Python, moving ahead, these are the major reasons behind increasing demand for Python. Let's move ahead, where Python used in the industries. These are the top major companies that use Python, like Google, IBM, Netflix, NASA, etc. Google is the most known tech giant who uses Python to provide better search features to its users. Dropbox is a cloud platform to save data online. Its client and server applications are coded using Python. Netflix uses machine learning to cluster users based on their interest on shows and retain them for longer. The National Security Agency uses Python for cybersecurity analysis. Other encryption and decryption work is done using Python. The BitTorrent applications uses Python for peer-to-peer communication, which started out as a normal Python file. NASA scientists use Python to perform calculations, which helps them to reduce time and makes their work easier. Now you wonder how to start off with Python. Let me help you with that. We have to start with the basics in spite of any programming languages. These are the basics of Python: variables, data types, operators, arrays and flow control, methods, oops and file handling. And some more are statements, expressions, loops, strings, and functions. Now you can start practicing Python. Also have a look at detailed syllabus of Python. Now let's see what career opportunities and career path that Python gives us. Web app development is an option. You can choose to have frameworks such as Django that can be used to create application. Game developer is also a career option that is available. Big data analysis is a moving field which can be used to obtain data. Web app tester is also an option. Data scientists and machine learner are some of the fields which everyone wants to get into. Smart IO devices is another place where you can use Python for better infrastructure and innovation for the world. Here is a wall chart to look if one becomes a Python developer. Now I think everybody got to know what Python is and why everyone loves it so much. You can start learning Python as it is fun to learn and easy to program with. This brings us to end of the video. And please don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section for other programming languages. Thank you.